Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome back to the tutorial on the exercises for the textbook Microeconomics Theory and Applications with Calculus, the 5th edition. In this section, we will focus on the problems related to tie-in cells. There are two types of tie-in cells: requirement tie-in cells and bundling. When firms implement bundling strategies to maximize its profits, it may use either pure bundling or mixed bundling. Let's solve exercise 6.1. A monopoly sells two products, of which consumers want only one. Assuming that it can prevent resale, can the monopoly increase its profit by bundling them, forcing consumers to buy both goods? Explain. If all consumers want only good A, and their reservation prices are 0 for good B, as the table shows, it makes no difference to sell good A and good B separately, or bundle the goods, because the firm earns the same profit. This is the case when the firm's cost is 0. If the firm's cost is positive, then bundling is a waste. If some consumers' reservation prices are 0 and some are positive for good B, as the table shows, then the firm can make a higher profit using bundling. If the firm sells the two goods separately, it maximizes its profit by charging 90 for good A and selling to both consumers, and charging 50 for good B and selling to Bob. The firm's total profit from separately selling the goods is 230. If the firm sells the two goods in a bundle, it maximizes its profit by charging 120, selling to both consumers and earning 240. The firm makes a higher profit using bundling. Let's find answers to exercise 6.2. A computer hardware firm sells both laptop computers and printers. Through the magic of focus groups, the pricing team determines that they have an equal number of 3 types of consumers, and that these consumers' reservation prices are as follows. In part A, if the firm were to charge only individual prices, what prices should it set for its laptops and printers to maximize profit? Assuming for simplicity that the firm has only one consumer of each type, how much does it earn in total? If the firm charges only individual prices, it maximizes its profit by charging $600 for a laptop and selling to all 3 consumers, so that its profit is $1,800. Similarly, the firm maximizes its profit by selling the printers for $100 each to consumers A and B, and earning $200. The firm's total profit is $2,000. In part B, an outside consultant claims that the company could make more money from its customers if it sold laptops and printers together as a bundle instead of separately. Is the consultant right? Assuming again that the firm has one customer of each type, how much does the firm earn in total from pure bundling? If the firm engages in pure bundling, it maximizes its profit by charging $750, selling to all 3 consumers, and earning $2,250. The firm makes a higher profit by selling the products in a bundle. the consultant is right. In Part C, why does bundling pay or not pay? The firm is better off using pure bundling because it captures more potential consumer surplus. With separate prices, consumer A has $200 of consumer surplus from purchasing a laptop and none from purchasing a printer. Consumer B gets $400 of consumer surplus from buying a laptop and will not buy a printer. Consumer C receives no consumer surplus from purchasing a laptop and $50 from buying a printer. So the total consumer surplus is $650. With pure bundling, consumer A has $150 of consumer surplus. Consumer B earns $300 of consumer surplus, and consumer C gets none. So the total consumer surplus is $450. Therefore, the pure bundling approach captures $200 more potential consumer surplus than does pricing separately. Let's go to exercise 6.3. The publisher Elsevier uses a mixed bundling pricing strategy. Suppose that the publisher offers a university only 3 journals, A, B, and C, at the unbundled individual annual subscription prices of PA equals $1,600, PB equals $800, and PC equals $1,500. Suppose a university's willingness to pay for each of the journals is $2,000, $1,100, and $1,400. In Part A, if the publisher offers the journals only at individual subscription prices, to which journals does the university subscribe? The university will subscribe to Journal A and Journal B because the university's reservation prices are higher than the actual prices the firm charges. In Part B, given these individual prices, what is the highest price that the university is willing to pay for the 3 journals bundled together? The university's reservation price for the bundle is $4,500, which is the maximum price it is willing to pay. In Part C, now suppose that the publisher offers the same deal to a second university with a willingness to pay $1,800, $100, and $2,100. With the 2 universities, calculate the revenue maximizing individual and bundle prices. The 2 universities' reservation prices and the firm's revenue maximizing prices for separate journals and the bundle are written in the table. The firm earns more by pure bundling than by selling separately. The firm can earn more using mixed bundling. It charges $4,500 for the bundle and only University 1 purchases. It charges Journal A, B, C $1,800, $1,100, and $2,100, so that University 2 buys Journal A and C. The separate prices also prevent University 1 from buying separately. The firm makes $8,400 of profit. Let's finish exercise 6.4. Why do Honda service departments emphasize to customers the importance of using genuine Honda parts when servicing Honda cars and motorcycles? Is Honda likely to be as successful as HP in the application ties that bind? If Honda can make strict warranties that strongly encourage customers to use genuine Honda parts or only go to Honda's dealers to do services, then the requirement tie-in sales can succeed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.